Hello to one and all. Thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about WH question words. So let's give a simple definition first. WH question words are used to ask questions and seek information. Let's start with the first one. What? What? What is used to ask for information? For example, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? ما هو لونك المفضل? Another one. What's your name? What's your name? ما اسمك? Next. What's your job? What's your job? ما هو عملك? Now move on to who. Who? Who is used to ask about a person or people in general. For example, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? من هو صديقك المفضل? Another example. Who lives with you? Who lives with you? من يعيش معك? Another one. Who knocked the door? Who knocked the door? Who knocked the door? من طرق الباب? Another one. Who manages this store? Who manages this store? من يدير هذا المتجر? Now move on to where. Where? Where is used to ask about location or place. For instance, where do you live? Where do you live? أين تعيش? Another example. Where is the nearest coffee shop? Where is the nearest coffee shop? أين يوجد أقرب مقهى? And the last example. Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets? أين يمكنني شراء التذاكر? Now move on to when. When? When is used to ask about the time. For example, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? متى عيد ميلادك؟ Another one. When do you plan to travel? When do you plan to travel? متى تخطط للسفر؟ And the last one. When does the library open? When does the library open? متى تفتح المكتبة؟ Now move on to why. Why? Why is used to ask for a reason or cause. Now let's see some examples. The first one. Why do you feel sad? Why do you feel sad? لماذا أنت حزين؟ Next. Why haven't you done your homework? Why haven't you done your homework? لماذا لم تنجز واجباتك المدرسية؟ And the last example. Why didn't you go to school? Why didn't you go to school? لماذا لم تذهب إلى المدرسة؟ Now move on to how. How. How is used to ask about the way or manner. And here are some few examples. First, how do you make a sandwich? How do you make a sandwich? كيف تصنع شطيرة؟ Next, how can I get to the airport? How can I get to the airport? كيف يمكنني الوصول إلى المطار؟ Next, how did you learn English? How did you learn English? كيف تعلمت اللغة الإنجليزية؟ And the last one, how do you spend your free time? How do you spend your free time? كيف تقضي وقت فراغك؟ And here we have a small exercise for you. Complete the sentences with the correct WH question word. Number 1. Blank is your name. Why, what, or where? Next sentence. Are you late to the class? 3. Do you look tired? Why, what, or when? And the last sentence, number 4. Blank. Did you learn swimming? What or how? You have to choose only the correct answer. Here are the answers for you. Number 1. What? What is your name? Or what's your name? So the correct answer is B. What? Next. Why? Why are you late to the class? C. Why? Number 3. Also, why? A. Why do you look tired? And the last one. How? How did you learn swimming? How did you learn swimming? B. And that's the end of the lesson. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe button, like and share the video. See you soon.